Hello everyone, welcome to my channel 今日動画 I'm Ryusei. Today I introduce traditional and healthy menu Nanakusagayu. Nanakusagayu is a Japanese rice porridge with 7 types of herb. In Japan, we eat Nanakusagayu on January 7th traditionally. And there are 2 reasons that we eat Nanakusagayu on January 7th. First, we eat many gorgeous dishes from the end of the year to New Year. So we'd like to eat a simple and healthy dish to rest our stomach. The soft and moisturized porridge is extremely good menu. Second, January 7 is one of the milestone. In Japan, there are 5 setku. The day is called 人日の節句 or Nanakusa no setku. In my survey, the custom of Nanakusagayu has been observed for over 1,000 years. This year, I'll focus on Japanese seasonal events. I hope they'll be interesting and informative for you. Yes, let's make Nanakusagayu.
At first, I'll prepare the rice. The brand name of the rice is Yukiwakamaru. Yukiwakamaru is made in Yamagata Prefecture. And Yamagata is a good place for cultivating the rice. The feature of Yukiwakamaru is stickiness and elastic texture. If you like the texture of the rice grains, I recommend it. I rinse the rice as usual. If you are interested in how to prepare the rice, please watch this video. Today, I'll introduce one point. We use this water to boil the radish, turnip, and taro. And I'll use it in the next video. When I have a plan to make dishes using them, I preserve it in the fridge the before day. Okay, I set it aside for 15 minutes. 15 minutes later, I drain the rice in a sieve. Okay, I set it aside. This is a set of Nanakusagayu. This set is sold from the end of the year to January 7th. So we can get 7 types of herb very easily in this period. And this is made in Oita Prefecture. They are called Haru no Nanakusa. And I'll introduce 7 types of herb. Seri, Nazuna, Gogyo, Hakobera, Hotoke no za, Suzuna, Suzushiro. We eat these sprouts to help our health and safe. Okay, let's prepare them. At first, I'll cut Suzushiro. Suzushiro is old name of daikon, and the meaning of Suzushiro is clean and pure. It's derived from the pure white color of the root. I cut it into small dices about 5 mm. Next, Suzuna. Today I don't peel off the skin, and I also cut it into small dices. I eat everything, skin and root. Okay, next Hakobera. I tear the leaves into bite-sized pieces with my hands. Of course, we can cut them with a knife. However, tearing them by hands makes the finish warm and beautiful. And I'd like to enjoy Haru no Nanakusa and Jinjitsu no Sekku for a longer time. That's why I tear them by my hands. I prepared Haru no Nanakusa. Let's make the rice porridge. I add the rinsed rice to the nabe, and I add 500 grams of the water. I add 5 times water of the rice. If you like more moisture and softer porridge, you can add more water. I stir it lightly. I cover it with a lid. Okay, I turn on the heat. At first, I cook it over high heat for 7 minutes. The steam starts to rise. I turn down the heat to low. And I open the lid and mix them. I break the chunks into grains. Okay, I cover it with a lid again. The tip is that I make a little bit space to let the heat escape. It prevents the water from overflowing. And I heat it for 25 minutes over low heat. I open the lid. The rice became soft and beautiful. I add a pinch of salt. I mix them and turn the top and bottom. Okay, then I add suzuna and suzushiro. I return the lid and turn off the heat. I keep it for 10 minutes. I open it. The smell of suzuna and suzushiro is really good. And finally, I add the herbs, seri, nazuna, gogyo, hakobera, and hotoke no za. I mix them well. If you like soft texture of radish and turnip, you can add them from the beginning. Okay, so beautiful. Let's arrange it on a rice bowl. I like this green and white color. It makes me feel spring. Okay, Nanakusagayu is done. I'll introduce garnishes to the rice porridge. White sesame and pickled plum. I add a pickled plum on top, and I sprinkle the sesame as well. Nice, done. Let's enjoy Japanese rice porridge Nanakusagayu. いただきます。The rice is soft and sweet, and the Nanakusa is a nice crunchy texture, and the taste is a bit bitterness. This bitter taste is really well with the rice. ごちそうさまでした。
Thank you. Did you enjoy? Today I introduced the Japanese rice porridge Nanakusagayu. It's really healthy and tasty, and it's good menu for the day after eating too much and drinking too much. Of course, in your daily meal, you don't need to prepare 7 types of herb. I hope you'll enjoy Japanese rice porridge frankly. Thank you for watching to the end. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a nice day. See you later.